I did another video when I purchased those KKE wheels. So I'm doing a follow-up. It's been about a month. Okay, so I went over a set of tires here. The rides were like one desert day, about 3 track rides. Okay. So the summary is the wheels are holding pretty well. Okay. So before I go over the details, just want to say that, so I see some people complaining about the fitting. I didn't have any problems. This is the rear wheel. Just make sure you get the right spacers. These wheels, they come with multiple spacers depending on the year. So make sure you read the instructions that come with the wheels. New rotors, brake front and back. Those I got from Rocky Mountain. Standard size, so they bolt just fine. New bolts and everything. No problem with lining them up. Same thing with the sprocket back and front. See, they line up pretty well. So make sure you get your instructions and the right spacers. Same thing for the front. New rotor. Okay. Bearings holding up pretty good. Make sure you grease them before you install the wheels and the spacers. They look just fine. Okay. Didn't notice any problem with that or excessive wear. As you can see, this tire went through some, this was probably the desert day. So this is gone, but there's no flat spots at all on the rim. I had to tighten the spokes, but I always do that anyway. They hold up okay. Didn't notice anything getting much looser than, for example, my stock KX or the stock Suzuki I have here. Same thing on the back. Everything looking good. No flat spots. Spokes on the back, actually, I think I just tied them up just right after I install it, and everything looks okay. So I didn't notice anything abnormal, like I saw some people really need to check all the time. Yeah, I check a few times, like you do. The finish is holding up okay. I did a few scratches when I put the tires. That's pretty normal, right? I don't know if I can find them here. Probably need more on the front. Okay, so here, like, this is from putting the tires. If I was going to buy again, I would. So I hope this helps, like a follow-up. And this was the bike. Didn't replace the exhaust, the expansion chambers, but at the end it looks pretty good and pretty happy with the wheel. So would I buy it for another bike? Sure, I would. Okay, so about like a set of tires, no problem so far. Okay, hope you like it. Leave a comment, a question, and I see you next time.